Yes, I must say that you must have seen invitation card. So what do you see in that invitation card? Only the time of party. कि party कब की है? Okay. Actually, invitation is a single sentence presentation. If you read the invitation, you can observe that it is a single sentence presentation. Okay, so we can write here the points about invitation is it is a single sentence presentation. It is a single sentence presentation. Okay, now it answers the question. It answers the question who, whom, when, where, why, what for. Okay, it answers all these questions who, कौन, किसको, कब, कहाँ, क्यों और किस लिए बुलाता है. So we can say that it answers the question who, whom, when, where, why and what for. Okay, it is written in always third person. Is always written in third person. Word limit 50 words. Write in box. Okay, or it is written in box. These are the features of the invitations. Today we start invitations formal printed, and for that you write first question. Note all these points, then start writing first question about invitation. Okay, let's start the question. Okay, the marriage of your elder sister, the marriage of your elder sister has been fixed. Has been fixed. The marriage of your elder sister has been fixed. Draft an invitation. Draft an invitation on behalf of your parents. On behalf of your parents, inviting the guests to attend it. Now, we start the answer. First of all, we write the name of the parents of that girl. Okay? Mr. and Mrs. Ashok Kumar शर्मा. उसमें दोनों आ गए, मिस्टर बी एंड मिसेस बी. तो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अशोक कुमार शर्मा request the pleasure of your company. Okay, first of all, the name, below it, this line will come. Request the pleasure of your company. सिर्फ इतने ही वर्ड इस लाइन में आएंगे. कितने वर्ड? Request the pleasure of your company. Okay. On the auspicious occasion of the. ये लाइन इसके नीचे आएगी और इतने ही वर्ड्स you will write only these words in third line. Okay, in first line you are seeing the name of the parents. In the second line you are listening that they are requesting to request the pleasure of your company. Only these words will come in the second line. On the auspicious occasion of the marriage. The marriage of their daughter Now we will write here the name of the daughter of their daughter Sandhya. Okay, with फिर रबिट तब कर दूं. With Shyam. Okay, if you wish you can write the name in capitals also. If you wish you can write the name in capitals also. Okay, so Sandhya with Shyam, and now you will give here the name of the parents of the boy. Son of, in bracket, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ram Kumar Sharma, Delhi. Half or whatever you want to write. ये मतलब कहाँ से ये लोग कहाँ रहते हैं. ओके, कब बुलाना है? ऑन कब बुलाना चाहिए, क्या डेट डालें, हम डेट देते हैं 25 ऑन, क्या बोला, oh no, on क्या पहले 25 का 29 4 का 25 4 का क्या है, थर्सडे, ऑन वेनसडे, दो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ, संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे वेनसडे, ऑन वेनसडे यहाँ अपडेट डालेंगे 25 नवंबर 2020, कहाँ बुलाना है, एट, हियर यू विल गिव द वेन्यू, ओके, यहाँ आप क्या देंगे, वेन्यू देंगे, एट सत्यम रीजेंसी, ओके, यहाँ पर डाल देंगे इसका एड्रेस, ओके, मेयर्स रोड हापुड़, देखिए, वी स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अशोक कुमार शर्मा and there is no breaking of the sentence and we just mark the full stop here after Hapur. So you can say that now it is clear that it is a single sentence presentation. Okay, now you will give the program, you will write the program. Programs, okay, Wednesday 25th November 2020, because it is a marriage of a girl की marriage है, so you will write here reception of Bharat, you will write here reception of Bharat. Of Bharat 8:30 PM, ओके, बारात है तो खाना पीना भी होगा, नाउ डिनर, डिनर 9 PM, खाना हो गया, नेक्स्ट डे क्या होगा, व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट डे, विदाई, ओके, नेक्स्ट डे इज थर्सडे, थर्सडे 26 नवंबर 2020, डोली, डोली विल गो, डोली जाएगी, So you can write here the time, not under the stars. यानी कि तारों की छाव में, under the stars 7. Here will come 4 words, and we have the limitations of the words. Okay, we will write here only 6 a.m. 6 बजे हमने विदा कर दिया. ठीक है. Now you see 2 things more in that invitation. What is? You will just, if you read the complete invitation, you will see 2 things: RSVP and with best compliments from. Okay. So here we will write RSVP.
सर
Hello.
सर आपने डिनर से ऊपर क्या लिखा है ये?
Reception of Bharat. It is P. Reception of Bharat. यानी कि बारात का स्वागत करना है. 8:30 PM. डिनर, खाना भी खाना है. 9 PM. नेक्स्ट डे विदा करना है. ओके. नाउ RSVP. Here you can write the name of the father's brother. When I hear the name of the brother of father, चाचा ताऊ जो भी होते हैं, ओके. उनका नाम अशोक था या कदे किशोर शर्मा. Okay, here you will write with best compliments from. With best compliments from. It is with best compliments from. You and we. It means आप और हम. Now it is completed. Now write next question. The marriage of your elder brother. Hello.
सर हमारी क्लास है, इसके बाद टाइम हो गया.
तो जाओ बेटा आप लोग, लेफ्ट पर जाओ आप लोग. The marriage of your elder brother has been fixed. The marriage of your elder brother has been fixed. Draft an invitation. Draft an invitation on behalf of your parents. On behalf of your parents. Inviting the guests and relatives. Inviting the guests and relatives. Okay, format will remain the same. First of all, you will write the name of the parents. Mr. and Mrs. Ram Kumar Agarwal. Okay. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. Now, I change here some words. In the previous sentence, previous answer, I dictated you request the pleasure of your company. Company means presence. Company means presence. Here I have written request the pleasure of your benign presence. Benign means holy, pavitra. Okay. On the auspicious occasion of
सर
हेलो हाँ बोलो बेटा
सर जैसे हम किसी के बर्थडे के लिए इनविटेशन लिखेंगे तो
हाँ
तो उसमें तो कंपनी लिखेंगे ना
कंपनी लिखो प्रेजेंस लिखो एक ही बात है बेटा बोथ हैव द सेम मीनिंग ओके बोथ हैव द सेम मीनिंग request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their son here you can write the name of the son is Suraj okay with